Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox error code 280 in a quick and simple way so you can get back into your games without any interruptions. This error usually appears when your Roblox version is outdated or there's a mismatch between the client and server. First, close Roblox completely and make sure it's not running in the background using Task Manager. Next, uninstall Roblox from your computer, then restart your system to clear any leftover files. After that, download the latest version of Roblox from the official website and install it again. This ensures you're using the most updated client. You should also clear your browser cache if you're launching Roblox from a browser, as old data can sometimes cause issues. Another helpful step is to check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Finally, avoid using VPN or proxy services, as they can interfere with Roblox updates. After following these steps, error code 280 should be fixed, and Roblox should run normally again without any problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.